Another thing the Rule of 3 can be nice for creating is the third element that we want to have as part of every presentation. And that is a sense of optimism, just because Rule of 3 can be fun to use. And there, our principle is this, Mr. Patel.
Smile more than you think appropriate.
So we've given this advice a lot when we're talking about interviews, but it's also true when you're giving a presentation, that if you don't like the subject that you're talking about, it's going to be very hard for the audience to like the subject that you're talking about. So we really do want to add some optimism, some enthusiasm to the presentation. It's going to be better for everybody involved. And as I said before, it does not necessarily tied to a subject matter. So with that problem-solving course, you talk about a bunch of topics that don't, at first blush, really jump out at you as something to be excited about. So one of the things they talk a lot about is government regulation, or as I mentioned, human trafficking. Not something that really people have fireworks about. It can be a very sad, troubling topic. But if you look at the people at our university or at our law school who talk about these things, Bridget Carr, foremost expert on human trafficking, she smiles. Government regulation, all of those who've had Daniel Crane. I know when we did the little poll of favorite professors at Michigan, he was one of the top ones mentioned. Others involved in that program is a CEO of a technology company, Mei Ling. There's a business professor, Rashmi Menon, a sociologist, Karen Lacey. All of these folks smile even when they're talking about really, really tough subjects.